Dear students, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression 99 divided by 11 upon 3 times 9. This algebraic expression seems very simple, but it tricks almost everyone. 90% of people choose the wrong option. They think 3 से 9 को डिवाइड करेंगे. 3 times 2 is 9 is equal to 99 divided by 11 times 3. They think multiplication has a higher priority than division. So they do the multiplication between 11 and 3 is equal to 99 divided by 33. Now they do the division between 99 and 33. 33 से डिवाइड करने पर we get answer is equal to 3. 3 is the wrong answer. Now we find the correct answer. 99 divided by 11 upon 3 times 9. It means that we need to perform all the operations step by step in order from top to bottom. Use the rule of division and multiplication holds the same priority level. When operations have the same priority level, we evaluate them strictly from left to right. Now use the rule of KCF. K stands for keep the first number as it is, like this 99. C stands for change the division sign to multiplication, like this. F stands for flip the second fraction, like this 11 upon 3 say 3 upon 11, like this. 99 multiplied by 3 upon 11 multiplied by 9. Now cut it numbers like this. 11 times 9 is 99. न्यूमरेटर मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे is equal to 9 times 3 times 9. We do the multiplication. We do the multiplication between 9 and 3 is equal to 27 times 9. Now we do the multiplication between 27 and 9 is equal to 243 is the correct answer.